If you've never been to Guiyang, go grab yourself a beer and watch it here. We'll show you Guiyang. Go get yourself that beer.
Oh yeah, we're at one of the main tourist attractions in Guiyang. Just kind of interesting because it might also be one of my last videos because I'm not in the city very long, but I think it's going to be a pretty cool one because it's like perfect timing. It's so perfect that it looks like it goes all the way down there and we're just kind of in the middle of it. So I think I might be able to do a couple of videos with this one. And we even got some tourists right there. So stay tuned. Hello YouTube viewers. Guiyang number 6. And I have, I think it's 18, 19 something videos. So you can see all those up above. You can see what number I have total. So that means subscribe because you're going to see more of Guiyang. And I really like this city a lot. And this particular video, I'm discovering the pedestrian street of Qingyun Road. So this one, I'm going to go down one side. And it's kind of interesting in itself, but this is why I want you to stick around and view some other Guiyang, because the next few videos I start discovering a lot more about this pedestrian street, and it has a lot of really cool stuff. So this particular video, I'm kind of getting familiar with half of it, and I don't know it's half until the end of the video, but it's still interesting. It's still part of the road, and nightlife. Anyways, those are for future videos. This one is just exploring and kind of getting to know it right here. So this is another one of Guiyang. Subscribe, and I got a lot more, and I really like this city, of course. Have I said that before? If I haven't, there you go. Guiyang, China. So I guess it's just logical that we're gonna go down this way first. Guiyang New World, it says. And there's 2 different ways we could go. That way. Or this way. But since we're on this side of the street already, it kind of makes sense that we're gonna stay on this side of the street. And that sign is facing this way. So it's gotta be a part of the street worth going down and looking at. Looks like they got a little bit of tourism stuff over here. Okay. And just for reference, it's a Wednesday night. A Wednesday night in the summertime. So that means that it's hello. I wonder if this does this piano stuff. Looks like it's some cities you step on it and the piano plays. It didn't look like that was going to be that type of one, but you have to check and see. So the lights are... Sunset hasn't came down yet. Luckin coffee is pretty much everywhere. I see that throughout the parts of China that I've been. China is huge. So I have no idea if it's everywhere. But I did see it in Wuhan, Chengdu, Chongqing within the last week or so. And just as an aside, let's see what this is. Just as an aside, I'll have a bunch of other Guiyang videos, so probably we'll have like 7 of them, 8 of them before this one goes uploaded. So at the bottom, at the end of the video, I usually attach to the last 2. So you can always go right to that. Lots of even residential buildings on the sides here. Places to sit and relax. Actually, as far as I can tell, that guy's gonna stop and look at the camera. A lot of the people that I've noticed around here, I had the same thing in Chongqing. They don't really know what this is. They don't think it's like a video camera. I don't know what they think, but then they'll come and look at it and see. But phones do the same thing. But I think other people are actually walking around the phone, and I'm carrying around a GoPro camera, which apparently I pretty much never see around here. So it's not that popular. The other observation that I've made is I was walking around some other pedestrian streets and there's a lot of young people, but this one in Guiyang doesn't seem to be that same kind of style. Looks like more older residents that come out and enjoy the evening and walk around. When I was in Wuhan, it was a lot of young people. Chengdu is a mix because Chengdu has so much tourism, so there's young locals, but there's also lots of tourists and families, and looks like this is gonna come to an end in a minute. So that's gonna come to an end, and this doesn't look that interesting all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and go back the other way. And I'm probably gonna turn the camera off in a minute and just kind of bypass some of the stuff that we've already seen. So I'm gonna do that right now. The lights are just coming on in that apartment. I just looked over here and it says Lively Qingyun 2024 hello. And it looks like they got a stage. So I am seeing things that I didn't see walking the other direction. Lots of people looking at me a lot. Okay, so I am going to go a little bit closer up there. Okay, so now we're basically back up to where we were before, and we're going to cross the street. And right over there you can see that where I filmed when I first started this video. So we got 15 seconds to get across. There it is right there. 11 seconds. And I'm kind of curious if on the other side it's like even maybe it's like really interesting. Looks like it. Whoa, it's already more crowds over here. Huh. Yeah, look at that. Lots more crowds. Wow, okay. This looks like more like younger demographics as well, maybe. I don't know. Didn't expect that. But I know what I am gonna do. Wow, it's like way more crowded. Super cool. So I guess what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a whole other video where I do this street from the starting point, and then I'm gonna upload the one I just did. Made in Guiyang.